Hello and welcome to today's tutorial, Excel Options, Zoom and Help. The Help tool can be used to research helpful tips and instructions on how to use Excel. The Help tool is found on the top right corner of the ribbon. Clicking the Help tool icon will open the Excel Help dialog box. Watch how I use Excel Help to search for instructions on how to use the Sum function. Once the results of the search are displayed, click on a title to show the information. The information often contains descriptions, examples, and links to other relevant content. Use the back button to return to the previous search results. Close the Excel Help dialog box by clicking on the Close button. The Minimize Ribbon button can be used to hide the ribbon. This will save space in the window. Clicking the small arrow again will unhide the ribbon. The Zoom tool is found in the bottom right corner of the application. Watch how I use the zoom buttons and slider to adjust the zoom size within the application. Click the percentage tool to display more zoom options. The custom zoom option can be used to specify a percentage value. Some of the Excel options are useful and it is worth spending time to familiarize them. The Excel options are found by clicking on the File tab and then Options. The username of the Excel application can be changed using the Username text box. Other useful options include changing the font and font size of new workbooks. Watch how I change the default font and font size of newly created workbooks. Any workbooks which I create now will have the font Broadway and the font size 12. The Formulas tab has options which can manipulate the calculations in a workbook. The Proofing tab contains options which can manipulate how Excel corrects content. The Save tab enables file locations, such as the default file location, to be changed. Watch how I type a new file location to change the default file location. I will change the file location to the folder My Documents, which I created on the C drive. The Language tab enables the default language and editing language to be changed. The Advanced tab has other useful options, such as Enable Fill Handle and Cell Drag and Drop. Unchecking this option will prevent the use of the fill handle and drag and drop movement. The Customize Ribbon tab will allow tabs and tools on the ribbon to be added or removed. The Quick Access Toolbar tab will allow tools to be added or removed from the Access toolbar. Clicking the OK button will save all changes made in the Options dialog box.